Welcome back to another Noble Courses tutorial, and in today's video we're going to be seeing how to create a simple LED project using our Arduinos. Let's go ahead and let's get started. So for this project you just need a battery connected to the adapter. We'll need the Arduino, the motherboard. We'll need a breadboard. This is where we'll connect everything together. We'll need a few LEDs as well. And 2 wires. These are male to male wires, and we'll need a black and a red one for this project. The first step, let's connect the red wire to the 5 volts. The black wire, we're going to connect it to the ground, and that is the negative. So red is positive, black is negative. So on the breadboard, you have a positive and a negative sign as well. Let's connect the red wire to the positive, and then the black wire to the negative. Just like this. Next step, we're going to place the LEDs. Now for the LEDs, we do have a longer side and a shorter side. The longer side always goes to the positive. So let's place them at longer side towards positive, towards the red, and these will all be the same. Once you have all the LEDs connected to the breadboard, the final step, we need to attach the battery. Let's add the battery and plug it straight in. And there we go. So make sure to like and subscribe for more projects just like this, and leave a comment if you want to see something different or something new. See you all in the next one.